Welcome to the wheel whale. While it shares many similarities with the Audi Q6 e-tron, the forthcoming electric Porsche Macan will add its own spin on the shared underpinnings. Two-motor all-wheel drive systems will be standard throughout the lineup, and Porsche has guaranteed a range of more than 300 miles for some of its models. The most powerful will also have impressive straight-line performance, and there's a new, slightly coupe-like design hidden beneath the camouflage of the test mules Porsche has so far shown us. Although it will eventually replace the current, petrol-powered Macan, a car that has spent 10 years at the top of its class with little upgrades, the two versions will be offered concurrently for the foreseeable future. In terms of design, the automobile undergoes significant revisions while retaining the proportions that have earned tens of thousands of consumers worldwide in recent years. The front headlights are now divided into two levels. The higher module houses the 4-point LED daytime running lights, while the one below the high and low beam blocks is matrix technology. The designs are powerful but gentle in their lines, with aerodynamic appendages and trim available in a variety of colors, glossy or body-colored, and carbon fiber. The roof curve is less sloped than that of the contemporary Macan, and more suggestive of an SUV coupe, resulting in a narrower rear window. The rear LED headlights, now in taken form, are connected by a continuous line that runs horizontally over the car. The Macan EV will be Porsche's first model to be built on its future premium architecture electric PPE, a specialized electric vehicle architecture code developed with Audi. The PPE EV platform will use an 800V electrical system, while Porsche will use 100 kWh battery packs. According to the firm, this is the perfect size for maximum range and performance. Porsche also plans to increase charging speeds above the Taycan's to 170 kW, with a goal recharge rate of 5% to 80% in less than 25 minutes. Yes, performance is important, but so is efficiency, which is why the new Macan's design prioritized active aerodynamics. The rear spoiler automatically changes to 3 different settings, based on speed or driving circumstances, while the front features a series of bulkheads that shut the front air intakes. The bottom of the car is likewise completely fairing. Porsche claims an aerodynamic penetration coefficient of 0.25 versus 0.36 for the petrol Macan.